Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe's free animation tool to create animation cartoons. So if you're looking for the easiest way to make a free animated cartoons online, keep watching. To get started, you need to head over to adobe.com/express/create/animation. Once you're on the page, go ahead and click on the blue button that says create now. Once the page loads, you will see lots of characters to actually choose from. The only downside is that you will not be able to upload your own personal character, but not to worry, they actually have a whole lot of characters for you to choose from. You can actually sort by categories. They have new, they have all people, they have young people, they have professional people, costume characters, creatures, animals, zodiac, emojis, robots, classroom, sports, food, music, match only, springtime, heart, hunt, and winter. So you just need to scroll through to find the exact character that matches the animation that you want to do. Now, I have actually selected this particular one. I like the sticky guy based on the animation that I want to do. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to actually choose a background. Now we have custom color. Here you can choose any color that suits what you want to do. There's a whole lot of colors to actually pick from here. But if you don't want color, you want a background that has to do with library, classroom, and all of that, you have them here to pick from. But at the same time, you also have the transparent background. This particular one ensures that your video does not come with any background at all. So we are just gonna try out the normal background, and after which we'll also try the transparent background. So let's go ahead and pick a background here. I'm just going to pick this particular background. So now that I've selected a background, I also need to select the size of the video. We have square, we have stories and reels, which is 9:16. We have portrait, we have landscape, which is actually for YouTube. So all you have to do is to look through to pick the exact size that fits the video that you're creating. So I'm just going to stick with the square. Having picked character, background, and size, the next thing is to bring in audio. So we have two options, either to record or to browse through. So I am just going to try the record first, then later I will also bring in already recorded audio, so we see how everything actually works. So once I click on record, it's going to count from 3 to 1. So whatever thing I am going to say now is actually being recorded. Once I click on the done button, it will stop recording. Then Adobe Express will do the lip syncing and the character animation. You just have to give it a bit of time. Adobe Express is actually done with the character animation and the lip syncing. We have two options right now, either to download or to open in Adobe Express. But before then, let's actually look at what the animation actually looks like on. So whatever thing I am gonna say now is actually being recorded. Once I click on the done button, it will stop. So that's pretty cool. If I want to download, all I have to do is to click on the download button and it will be downloaded to my computer, just as you have seen. But on the other hand, if I want, I can also open it in Adobe Express and do some other things there. Then if I want to go back, let's say I want to change the voice or I want to change the character, all I have to do is to click on back. Then I will be taken back to where it all started. So now that I'm back to this place, all I have to do is to pick another character if I want to change the background. So now let's try the transparent background. Then click on replace audio to bring in a new audio. So this time around, I'm just going to upload already recorded audio, the one I actually did with AI. So if you want to know how to create full animation with other AI tools, please do well to check out my video on how to create sticky animation. I covered everything from scripting to voiceover and to editing with CapCut. So you check it out. So back to this one, we're going to click on browse. Then here I just have to pick a voice. So I'm going to pick this one and bring it in. Adobe Express is actually done with the lip syncing and character animation, but there is a problem here. We can't actually download this particular video with a transparent background. It says download is not available for videos with transparent background. Select open in Adobe Express to preserve transparency or the back button to change the background. So we only have two options, either to open this particular file in Adobe Express or to go back and pick a background. But the good news is that if we open it in Adobe Express, it's going to give us the flexibility to do a whole lot more things before actually downloading it. So let's just head to Adobe Express to see what we can actually do over there. So our animation is actually open and we have a whole lot to do to this particular animation. Now that we are in Adobe Express, we can change the background to any kind of background we want. You can simply come here, click on elements, background, then search for the one that suits this particular animation. Let's go for sunny day. You can just browse through and pick the one I prefer. Let's go with this. As you can see, our animation now has a new background. I can resize it. Outside adding background, we can also add other elements. Let's add sun since it's actually a sunny day. Let me go with this one. Here, I can also add tests. To ensure that this text is behind the sticky guy, I need to bring the sticky guy above the text. So there we have it. I can reposition him to actually fit. So besides just adding text like this, I can actually animate this particular text and the sun icon. All I have to do is to click on the text, scroll down to find animation. Here I have a whole lot of animation to pick from. Just go through them to see the one that meets what you want. I actually love this one, but if I don't want to go with that one, I can also go with this one. Or go with this one. So let me go with this one. I can also animate this sun. So to do this, all I have to do is to click on the animation. So look for the one that meets my need. Okay, I love this one. That's actually what we've been able to put together.
Sticky, sticky, that's me. I stick to everything you see.
Besides this, we can also add more scenes. So to add another scene, you click here. So let's just do another animation and bring in the scene as well. So I'm just going to choose a different character. Okay, I'm going to choose this guy. Then bring it to this new scene. As you can see, it is ready. Let's play it from the beginning to see what we have.
Sticky, sticky, that's me. I stick to everything you see.
Tee ha ha ho ho. Hey sticky guy, you're in a good mood today.
So that's basically how you can create animation using this particular tool. But remember that these are just basic examples, but I believe you've gotten the idea. So you can actually take this concept and do all sort of things. You can have multiple things and also have characters talking back at each other. But if you want to learn how to do all of that, check out my tutorial video on how to create sticky animation. In that particular video, I have covered everything that you need to create animations like that, from scripting to voiceover to editing. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.